Hey guys, out here practicing a little FPV with my Falcon 250. Going through about 3 packs, so give me a break on that. Dust off my FX070. It's been a while since I've flown this, so hopefully it's not too rough. It's kind of jerky on the sticks, but you know, it's been a while. I don't think I have my weight perfect. I have a pretty good hover, but still bobbles a lot. But maybe that's just me throwing the sticks around. Servos are in the stock position. Ew. And plus I haven't flown this in, well, ever since I got my Falcon, pretty much. Man, it's weird that flying this after my Falcon almost seems slow when this used to seem so fast to me. I do still like hearing that sound of the blades though on this. Not sure if it's coming through on the mic, but that real helicopter blade sound. Let me bring it in closer. Oh, got a little swirly right there. So you can do some reverse funnels. I don't remember how long I usually fly this after the buzzer, so next time it goes off, I'll probably bring it in pretty quick. As far as helicopters, This is one of the best fly barless toy grade ones you can get. That was swirly because of me, by the way. Alright, let's see if I can get a smooth landing. Alright, this is the FX070. Pretty nice fly barless helicopter. See, mine's kind of dusty, hasn't had action in a while, but I still love to fly anything. Anyways, see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.